National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Avon Lake to North Ridgeville to Grafton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Parma, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, Highland Hills, Stowe, North Olmsted, and Garfield Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Medina, and Summit.